Chapter 6, Hint, Things You Need to Know, is a very good chapter to work on, basically, on forms, perils, coverage. Alright, we'll start with the conditions. Is breach not caused by, cannot be denied by insured. Breach caused is cancelled. Warranties, breach not caused by, but can be denied by insured. Interesting. Forms and 13 perils, which is covered under the homeowner's forms. Water damage, freezing, or water hammer not covered. Coverage A, B, C, and D, and how the coverage A and D works as special limit policy. Excellent policy and special limits of liability on coverage C. Your personal property, home, attached and detached, and then your living expenses. ACV, which is actual cash value, policy replacement cost, last depreciation. Replacement cost, no deductions, but actual cash value. Mortgage clause guarantees payment to the mortgagee, where the insured has breached certain policy conditions. Following persons or people on the declaration page on their ages. So remember the person's name on the insurance, their spousal. They have to be married 1 year. Children 1 year, married for 3 years, common law for 5 years, and students going to school for age of 21. Automatic coverage if no rider at a peril or separate policy and separate jury would be 2,000. Special limits of liabilities has 2 parts. You know the difference with deductions. One for personal, the other is for computer software, money, securities. Additional living expenses, which is on coverage D. In case of fire, if you have to move out, if your tenants have to move out, it has a separate policy for it, or added to the policy, which is called a rider. Damage caused by windstorm should be outside exterior first. Breakage of glass should be accidental only, not slipping by hand, or earthquake or landslides, snowfall. Comprehensive form, very good form. Its conditions exclusions except smoke from fireplace due to fire. No animals, birds, or fish coverage. Homeowner's policy. Limits cannot be changed, or nor can coverage be removed from the package, but limits automatically provided, but policy can be increased. Condominium unit coverage, the loss assessment coverage, and the corporation policy inadequate coverage for loss because of underinsured, large deductible applicable, or no core operation. Exclusion under corporation policy, breach of condition by driver. That was the end of chapter 6.